Hello, today we're going to see how to write a simple plugin for neovim, how to use it via Packer and upload it so it can be used by others. Okay, so let's start. First, to create a plugin, just create a simple directory. Let's call this demo. Sorry about that. So, how does Lua plugin works? So there are a couple of stuff. You can go the easy way, create a plugin directory. Any file inside of the plugin directory will be sourced. So you can just say init that anything we write here will be sourced. So now we can go to our new Vim configuration um, and go to wherever we added plugins. Oops. Okay, just take a shortcut. Okay, so we go to our plugins. We go to Packer where we say we will specify our plugins. So we're going to specify our new plugin. So we simply added the path. So in my case, it was this. Okay, so step Dino, no, Dino, YouTube, and we call it demo. Okay, so that should do it. Now you can test. Uh, let's go anywhere. Okay. We don't have our print. Let's test again. Okay, let's just make sure no print. Why? Okay, maybe it didn't save. Let's try. Oh, okay, forgot something. For Packer, you have to say Packer sync, so it can copy the plugin to a place where new Vim will notice and source to the runtime directory. You can see here it's installed. Okay, so we don't need the others. Nice. Now we see our print work. So that's the easiest way to hook our plugin. Now we simply have a repo with this structure, and it will just work. Let's add something that looks useful. Create command or something. Hello demo, and it will just say I don't know cmd split term echo 4 or echo whatever. Just trying something. Okay, we have three arguments. Okay, I forgot exactly the semantics. I can use telescope help, create user command. Yep, it takes a name and a command and opts. What are opts? Forgot. Can we just give it a notice? Okay, let's test again. Okay, now if you say hello demo, nice. Our first plugin works. But now there is some convention in the ecosystem. Is to make things just work on demand. So right now, everything we write here is just sourced. But what plugins do usually is they put the code inside the Lua directory, and inside the Lua directory, you write your plugin name, demo, and then inside that, you put your file. Oops. Um, mm, let's just remove plugin for now. Don't need it. And here, if you print here, we have now this structure, which is a Lua demo unit Lua. Let's see. Our print doesn't not happen, but we can require our plugin. We called it demo, and it will be available. See, something else doesn't work. It works because it has this structure, Lua, and inside it the name. The name here goes here. So usually the convention is to use is to return a model that have a setup function. So it's something like local function setup, no, m.setup function m.setup, yeah, and it does print doing setup here. Whoops. And then we return the model. And if you test that, well, taking a long time. Okay, I need the Lua file to test. So I can require demo, maybe print it. Let's source. We need to use pretty print. Let me print source. We have our setup function. So usually this is how plugin works. They ask you to use setup so they can correctly initialize. And if you say this source, you can see it prints our setup function. Yep. So this is just a quick introduction on how to use plugins. Okay, see you next time.